ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan style long. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to give a call to a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So this lovely Multivan comes in a special two-tone paint colour in a deep black pearl and a Fortana red metallic finish. The vehicle benefits from having front parking sensors as well as having the IQ Light LED matrix headlights. The vehicle also comes with separate LED daytime running lights as well as a dynamic light assist. The vehicle sits on the very stylish 19-inch Harmstadt black diamond turned finish alloy wheels, giving a very sporty look to the vehicle. The vehicle comes with twin power sliding doors, which can be operated with the key fob or from inside the cab itself. Behind one of the power sliding doors reveals a very luxurious interior, with 5 of the rear seats being finished in the art velours in a bi-colour mixture of the raven black and the sand micro fleece. The vehicle also benefits for having Climatronic 3-zone electric air conditioning system, keeping the rear passengers cool and comfortable at all times. As well as opening, the doors can be closed with the key fob or from in the cab itself. And to match those power sliding doors, the rear tailgate also features a power folding system, behind which is a spacious load area or boot space, and the vehicle also comes with all the necessary charging cables in order to charge this hybrid up. One of the rear seats also features some cup holders in order for the rear passengers to remain comfortable on those longer journeys. Across the outer side of the rear tailgate, above the number plate, is a rear view camera system. Down beneath we have some lovely multi-band badging. The vehicle also benefits from having rear parking sensors as well. Moving over to the cockpit of this vehicle, the driver is greeted with a very handsome 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, as well as a digital cockpit pro system. There is also a colour touchscreen infotainment system that also houses the climate controls and parking assist menus. The front seats, in order to match the rears, are again finished in the lovely art velours in a bi-colour combination of raven black and sand micro fleece. If you have any further questions about this vehicle, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. And if you like what you've seen in this or any other of our videos, then leave a like and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest stock. Stick around, as later on in the video we'll explore the interior in much greater detail. So thank you for sticking around. The controls for the electric heated and power folding wing mirrors are located on the driver's door card. To the left of this are the controls for the front headlights as well as the front and rear heated windscreen. Moving over to the very handsome 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, this gives the driver a hands-on driver experience as it allows them to completely customize their driving experience. This is even more so with the Digital Cockpit Pro, as we can choose which displays we see on the side, if any at all, and also select from a variety of different backgrounds, including navigation. A vast arrangement of different menus for the driver to choose from. Here we'll be selecting the audio function, more specifically the vehicle's Apple CarPlay function. The driver can select which audio source they want, as well as skip to the next or previous track, and also increase and decrease volume with the button on the left hand side of the steering wheel. The vehicle also comes with a Discover Media navigation system with a 10-inch coloured touchscreen, including streaming and internet access. Here we are connected to the Apple CarPlay function. The vehicle comes with App Connect, where you can connect an Apple or Android smartphone to your vehicle using navigation apps such as Apple Maps and Google Maps, listen to your favourite music through Spotify or Apple Music, and also voice recognition in order to control your phone with your voice whilst driving safely, and much more. The colour touchscreen also houses the climate control system, as well as having 2 front heated seats. The vehicle also comes with a parking distance control display, and once reverse gear has been selected, will display the rear view camera feed on the colour touchscreen. The vehicle also has a wide arrangement of different safety features, such as a side assist, a front assist with city emergency braking function, as well as having lane assist and adaptive cruise control. There is also a driver alert system as well. The vehicle also comes with included navigation, which also features the very tech-savvy 3D Maps software, which is useful in a variety of different situations, such as identifying your current whereabouts in unknown locations with the help of landmarks. Throughout the rest of the cab's interior, there are twin armrests for the front passenger and driver, as well as an assortment of different storage compartments. Up top, the vehicle also houses some brilliant audio systems with the help of the Harman and Kardon. So, ladies and gentlemen, that will fully conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan style long. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the sales team on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.